This is part 6 of eating my way through Japan. So we just got back from Mount Fuji and we're so hungry. Dito ko naisipang mag-dinner at Sukiya. This is actually Japan's largest gyudon chain with thousands of stores across the country. Like many Japanese restaurants, you place your order through a tablet. Ang galing lang kasi open kitchen sila so you can watch them prepare your food. They also have different kinds of sauces available and cold tea. Ang bilis din ng serving time nila, like 3 minutes lang. Of course, I ordered their best-selling gyudon with rice, miso soup, veggies, and radish for only 780 yen. And it did not disappoint. You get this sweet, savory, beefy goodness in every bite. I know may ganito din sa Pinas, but I must say ibang level yung Sukiya in Japan. Unlike sa Pinas na dry ang gyudon, here it's so juicy, saucy at siksik sa lasa. And it's cheaper here as well. So if you're craving for an affordable, authentic Japanese gyudon, then you must try Sukiya. Save this video if gusto nyo rin to masubukan. It's our last night in Tokyo kaya gusto naming sulitin. We went to Shibuya to visit Hachiko. May mahabang pila nga lang but that's okay. And of course, tumawid din kami sa Shibuya Crossing, which is said to be the busiest crossing in the world. Syempre, anlitawid kami dito, but just be mindful of other people kasi sobrang daming tao. And lastly, pinuntahan din namin ang biggest Don Quijote store in Japan located in Shibuya. Tomorrow kasi we're going to Osaka via bullet train or Shinkansen, and I'll post all about my experience in my next video, so do like and follow to stay updated. And for your future travels, you can use my code and click the link in my bio to get discounts on Klook. Yun lang, okay, thanks, bye!